From where?
From the left of me, I think.
Oh, this isn't gonna work, man.
Up the road.
Fine, I'll try the lockpicker once more, but I'm gonna die here. If this isn't working, I'm leaving. Your BMW's being impounded. Is that like next to us?
Yeah.
That's an escape route that we can have.
Come on, please open for fuck's sake. It broke again. 10 fucking
Get the
lockpicks.
hell out of here then.
You serious right now?
Run to the run to cover.
Fucking shit game. This is so much bullshit. Echt, what the fuck, man? We're just leaving?
No, I'm just gonna stay here in cover now.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Let me go to the market and get more lockpicks.
I have a few more, but yeah.
I'll just get some. Just cover that truck. I hear.
We're just leaving now.
Are they taking the truck? Somebody was firing. Somebody got tased. Oh, they think we're taking it.
No, they don't. He's gonna combat store it.
Oh no, he's not.
Doesn't matter. We'll video it.
We'll never get there in time. If that's the Thomas again, then he already also fucking... Well, technically you're allowed to come back if you get VDM'd.
But not if it's a situation.
Yeah, that's true. You still hear the truck?
Yeah, it's still in Lijnhaven.
Alright. I'll go to the garage.
It's driving off again. Need a new car. It's driving off, I think.
Alright, going to market and getting lockpicks.
No, I got lockpicks. Come here. Come pick me up. The truck is right in front of me.
You on the road? Oh shit, you're off road.
I may have the truck here. No.
You do have it here.
I have the trucks here.
Open it now. Open the goddamn truck. Give me your keys or you're dead.
I'm down.
Fuck.
Shoot him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill them all. Kill them all.
Got them both. I'm starting really to get sick of this bullshit. Because Thomas came back. That's Thomas again. He fucking broke NLR as well.
Yep.